Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Hello
everybody.
Hello everybody. How you going? I am here to show you these amazing brushes. The Thomas W. Schaller NEEF synthetic
Mop.
I've got a couple of smaller ones. I want a smaller brush that packs a punch, and this is it. They're amazing. Really great point on them. They're long haired, great point, and just, you know, they work so well. Have a look at seniorart.com.au. Check me out. They've got all the different sizes and things. I just wanted to try the smaller ones first. I'll be getting some bigger ones. Absolutely, they're amazing. The thing I really like about them is, yes, they're synthetic, so they're going to be available until the cows come home. But more so than that is the fact that their design, it's a long hair. So I'm trying to find it. You know what I mean? It's not one of these short, stubby little mops that are weird, roundy point. These, beautiful point, and they stay pointy. And in the one brush stroke, you can go from thin to thick, back to thin if you want. They're amazing. Quick brush strokes for dry brush, boom, straight through. Lovely. Look at that. They're amazing. They really are amazing. Cool. Check them out. Love yous, and I'll see you soon. And I look forward to demonstrating these in more paintings coming forward. Thank you. You have a great day.
Love your work.
I love you.
Love you. Please subscribe. Please check out NEEF.
Please check out seniorart.com.au.
And check out all my robot moves. Dickhead.
Dickhead.
Anyway, see you later. Bye.